everybody, it's Angela with Ava Art. Welcome to my basement studio. Today I'm going to do something called a wandering puddle pour. I'm going to be using 18 colors on a 16 by 20 canvas. This is actually a pour over that I gessoed about 3 or 4 times and sanded to get it all ready and prepped for my pour today. Turn the camera around here and I'll show you what I've got going on. So as you can see, I have got my table prepped for this pour. I've mixed up quite a few primary colors, a couple of secondary colors as well, including my white, and this is a cloud mix here. I've got 18 stir sticks, 18 cups, a towel, my peppermint tea, and I am ready to pour. So stay tuned. I'm going to mix up all of my 18 cups and I'll be back in just a minute to show you the pour. Okay, here is the initial wet results. Beautiful, bold, bright colors. Lots of reactions happening. Some really pretty pearl cells. I didn't really intend for those to happen, but they just did. Lots of blending, but also gorgeous, bold, bright colors. Ooh, that is really pretty right there. Oh, sorry for blurry. And here are the dried results. Overall, the painting took on a beautiful composition. I'm quite surprised that really only 3 dominant colors rose to the surface, which is the blues, the dark oranges, and whites. We lost all those other deep colors. Here's a little bit of that red peeking through. But really, it all adds to the composition. One major problem with this piece, and I'm going to have to review my recipe for each of those colors, is that we got a lot of pitting with this one. In fact, so much so that this is really an epic fail of a painting. I would never put this on the market to sell. It was a practice in a way, so I'm okay with that. But you can see pitting in all of the different colors, which begins to tell me that it has something to do with the base coat that I use. So I'm going to revisit my recipe, see what I may have done wrong. But overall, I am loving the composition. This would have been a fabulous painting, and I'm still proud and happy that I did it. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please subscribe if you like what you're seeing here. I tend to do a lot of experiments, so maybe you can learn with me too. Thank you so much.